Yung mga fur babies naman talaga, it brings joy and happiness to our lives.
It brings joy, it brings fun, it brings season in the sun.
Ha? Padiri. Tapos... Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Dan!
For today's vlog, magkakaroon ulit tayo ng reaction video, quiet reaction, and see kung anong may offer ng ating next binibini from Kalumpit, Bulacan. That's Ruela Solis.
Natutuwa lang ako kasi we're also looking for someone to support too while we're reacting to their videos.
Yes, so here it is.
Hi everyone, I'm Ruela Prias, your Binibini 13, Kalumpit, Bulacan.
Yun ang nagtataka ko kasi yung mga sa mga pictures niya, ang pangalan niya, Rowena Solis. Pero yung sa social media niya na sa Facebook, nakita ko Ruela Frias. So, ano ba talaga? So, yun lang.
So the first thing that comes into my mind when I hear Binibini is idol. Since we have a reluctant role in a young generation, we became an exemplar to them and they look up upon us. So yeah, I think idol is the best word to describe it.
Icon. Ano sabi mo doon?
Icon ba? Hindi ako sure. Ang rinig ko, idol.
Icon!
Icon, okay. Sige.
No. Pero yung ano, I don't know, ang sweet niya magsalita from what I saw sa kanyang naging performance on stage. Pero yeah, let's see kung ano pa.
3 facts about me is I love cooking. So whenever I'm stressed out in something, I always cook. And it's kind of feel like give me a sense of peace. Second is I am the first beauty queen on both sides of my family. So my cousins and nieces are motivated that let them join in pageantry. So the third one is I love dogs. I have 8 dogs at home. And
For
they
parents.
always brighten up our day and they became our happy tea every day.
Yeah, yung mga fur babies naman talaga, it brings joy and happiness to our lives. And yun lang, siguro sa akin lang napaka niya, parang,
It brings joy, it brings fun, it brings season in the sun.
ha? Padiri. Tapos, hindi, what I mean is, ang sweet niyang magsalita, somehow, siguro for me as a fan, siguro, I'm looking for more energy, na parang, kasi pag ganun yung energy niya, parang, gusto niya ba talaga to, or napipilitan lang siya, kasi may mga ibang, pagbuka pa lang ng bibig, parang nandun yung ano,
Conviction.
Yes.
That's the right I'm looking for.
So what is your advocacy?
Some of the people who knew me, how I love dogs, I always believe that every life matters. So my advocacy revolves on animal care and protection. So for more updates,
Ayun.
please.
So, very simple yet relatable yung kanyang advocacy, and then madali siyang i-put into action, di ba?
I think very short kasi yung time to tell about your advocacy. Advocacy naman kasi talaga everyone's advocacy is legit naman, namang lesser or ano. Pero yun nga, sobrang short nung time. So, kudos sa kanya na pasok na ng maigi. Maganda yung pagkaka-pitch niya.
So, si Ruela talaga is, for me, parang naging interesado ako sa kanya kasi nga, yung video na to, very pa-sweet, ganyan, simple girl. Pero yung performance niya on stage was parang nanglalamon. Kumbaga parang siyang Sarah G na aabangan mo kasi yung ang sweet-sweet ng personality, pero pag nag-perform talaga ay halimaw. Ang Bulacan talaga this year is sobrang naging maingay din sa pageantry. Before pa man, from what I know, wow, parang Bulacan is also one of the pageant powerhouse, or ang dami din talaga natin mga beauty queens sa Pilipinas na galing sa Bulacan. She's someone na talagang we are excited to look out for kung ano pa yung kaya niyang i-offer sa mga next challenges. And thank you guys at sinabahan niyo naman kami sa nagdaang reaction video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!